Riwruok mochung'ne kano mwandu mioro kawuok e pinje maoko KIFWA odonjo e ogirimiti mar bilion 12 gi kambi moro maloso mwandu mag gige stima mong'ere kaka Centralized Clearing and Forwarding Management System. E nyasi mar chiwo kogno e ogirimiti mane obagi e boma ma Nairobi, okang' ma kamano ineno ka gima nyalo bedo kod historia e sekta mar mwandu mioro e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe kaachiel kod piny mangima.
Is a brand treasurer in Mombasa. We started this journey. We have had several meetings. Jacinta, she's in the...
We just signed an agreement on partnership between KIFWA and Capital Pay on digital solution. What is happening, for a very long time, the digital solutions in the logistics sector has been a preserve of only the government. As KIFWA, we thought it was very wise to have a centralized digital system for all clearing and forwarding agents in Kenya. This system seeks to, among other things, help us in self-regulation.
This is a great opportunity, and we hope this is something that is seen worldwide, and then they will understand how important